Yeah.
You're good in 3, 2, 1, go!
Well, we're doing a preposterous challenge night qualifier. We are playing hockey. And the way this is going to work is whoever gets the most laps with this puck, which is essentially part of the barrier, is going to be seated the best for the upcoming feature race. It is really, really difficult. I know, I just hit it with my hands. We're allowed to do that in hockey, right? Okay. We have done exactly one practice of this. It is way harder than it seems. Trying to get the right angles for this puck is really hard. So we'll see how... I may not talk that much while I frickin' concentrate on this puck. Oh, no. Go. Okay, get back in front of me. Get back in front of me. Get back in front of me. Come on, bud. Get back in front of me. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. It is so hard to control this puck. No! Son of a bee sting! Okay. Go forward. Ugh. No! Oh no! This is gonna ruin my chances. Okay. Alright. I'm just gonna push it ahead. Here we go. No! Son of a... Alright, we're backing up. Okay. Alright, let's go forward. Come on, let's go. Okay, alright, here we go. Down the straightaway, let's go. Let's bomb it. Let's go. I'm so far behind him. We're just using the hands. Whoa! Let's go, bud. Let's go, puck. Look at this puck control. Look at it. Look at the puck control. Oh wow, this is sick. Look at it go. I got it on its side. I was doing good. That was worth it. That was cool. You know what? It actually is easier to go, like, I want to go slower, but I think it's better if you go faster. Oh my gosh, I think I'm discovering the secret, like, way too late. Oh man, that was pretty cool though. That was cool. Well, we are back for a bonus race, and this is, or not bonus, this is the feature race. Not the bonus, this is the feature. And it's going to be preposterous, because we have, I think, like, 18 people in this race. I qualified, like, 12th, and there's, like, 6 people behind me. I don't know what. This is going to be madness. Absolute madness. Okay, all right. Let's go on the outside, maybe. We got some spots. Let's get a spot or two. Bro, you gotta watch out. Oh boy, this is going to be absolute craziness, that's for sure. No, come on guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's not let them get too far away. All right. Let's see how much damage we can do this race. And by that I mean, how many people can we actually pass? Come on, bud, let's go. This is going to be difficult with so many people. Oh, we are lacking traction there. Let's go, bud. Let's go. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Lacking traction is going to be tough. Okay. Okay. Another one. Another one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oops, sorry, bud. Sorry, bud. Sorry, bud. I got into you a little bit there. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's try to get another one. If I finish top 10, this is going to be like a miracle. Oh, break a little too early there, bud. A little too early, bud. It's okay. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, another one. Another one. Okay, let's go. Maybe we can catch Dennis. I think that's Dennis. Honestly, I feel really good about the amount of people I've passed this race. Because I started really far back. My qualifying in the hockey was not particularly good. My fastest lap was literally the last one as qualifying ended. And it did not count. But man, I'm moving right now. I am moving. Once I got past those people, I'm moving. I'm catching Dennis, but I'm not sure we're gonna have time to catch him. Oh boy, it's been an interesting night. That hockey thing was crazy. I ended up getting the hang of it like literally as the race was ending. I may have mentioned that in the qualifying video, or qualifying race from this video. You know, it's hard to think sometimes. You know, make sure to like and subscribe if you like what you see here. If you like all my typos and not typos. I can't even say words properly today. Man, I am moving. I'm like really fast right now. No, white flag, no. Give me more laps. Oh, I'm doing that turn so well right now. That's okay. I mean, this is what happens when you start in the back. You know, you gotta fight through some traffic, and then this is what happens. Good race, good race.